Yes.
To become much stronger, fuel your body with a protein-rich diet, like lean meats, eggs, and veggies.
Compound workouts such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Consistency is your superpower.
Keep pushing! Come on, all the way up! Yes! You did it! Great job!
Size doesn't matter when you have determination. Believe in the brain, believe in the brawn, and victory will be yours.
All right, listen up. The most powerful muscle you have is right here, your mind. You gotta believe you can win.
I believe it!
Now go show them what you're made of.
The yellow cat launches a devastating capoeira kick, connecting squarely with the bull's jaw. He's going down.
If you become undefeated in your life, smash that like button and subscribe my brain power.